Slow cooker Malaysian chicken curry. First up, place the onions in the slow cooker, then add the garlic, ginger, lemongrass, turmeric, cumin, chilli powder, cardamom, star anise, and cinnamon. Add the chicken, pour over the coconut milk, pop on the lid and cook on high for 3 to 4 hours. Or you can cook on low for 6 to 7 hours. Once cooked, add the brown sugar and the fish sauce. Season with salt and pepper and give a good stir. To make the cucumber raita, take a cucumber that's been cut into ribbons, then add the red onion, lime juice, caster sugar, and a little salt. Mix and set aside for 5 minutes. Drain well to remove excess liquid. Return to a bowl, add the mint and toss to combine. To serve the curry, sprinkle with coriander and slices of red chilli. Serve with cucumber raita and a squeeze of lime. It's as easy as that. Delicious slow cooker Malaysian chicken curry.